Yes, children, today I am going to teach you how the bubble sort program works. Bubble sort. Sorting means arranging the data in ascending and descending order. That means we are going to arrange some data, like 10 numbers I am going to input from the keyboard, and my program using graphics, C++ graphics, my program is going to arrange all those numbers in ascending order using this technique. So this is my program. I have added some, included some header file. So first we have to add some header file. In Java we used to do import statement, and in C++ we use #include to accept some files. In Java we are having packages, and in C++ we are having some header files. So here some header files you see. After that I have created my own package, that is name.h and last.h, which is going to display my name and the initial, that means the last of the program. I mean at last what it will print in this page, that will print by the help of the last.h, and name.h is another package that will display my name. So these are all the header files which created by me. Like we can create the package in Java, no? The same thing we can do over here. Now public static void means some drivers. I am going to detect some drivers, and I am giving the address of those drivers. Then one array I have taken, and I am just accepting some functions. I am just executing some functions. After those functions, like name is set text style function, what type of text it will display, the name, the function which I am going to display my name, okay, and set text justify function will justify which side, whether left or right or what, okay, clear viewport, that means it is clearing the port, I mean clearing the screen and all, and then set color command is display the color or the color of this. Then one double dimension array I have taken, this is the double dimension array char in, where I am going to accept the part of the screen. I'll cut the part of the screen, I'll put it in that array, and then I will display this graphics. And then I am having this one, go to XY. By the help of this I am jumping in a particular place in the screen, and then by the help of the ellipse command I am displaying those names in my screen. Then I2A command function is there to convert any string or a number, and then slowly I am applying this bubble sort technique. By the help of the bubble sort technique, my program is going to display all the numbers, and something is there, here's a get image is there, so I am taking the part of the screen from the program, and just I am going to move it up and down, left and right. This way the up function is there to move those a part of the screen which I have taken from that screen, and I am moving it up so that you will feel some movement in the screen, that my numbers are moving up and left and right and all. So this way I am just moving the part of the screen. That is one type of graphics program, and that I have created near about 10 to 15 years ago, and now by the help of this for loop I am displaying the final output in the screen, and now I am closing the graph. Now next you see, just I am going to execute this program. Here the run command is there, so by the help of Alt R I am executing the program, and here yes it is asking something. So here I am entering some numbers. See my numbers are ready. Now I am accepting some numbers. So here first I am accepting 10. So after accepting 10, I am pressing enter key, so that 10 has come. Then I am pressing 9, 8, 7, and then 6, and then 5, and then 4, and then 3, and then 2, and 1. And these are the numbers already I have entered in my screen, and just I am pressing this and see how it is moving, all those numbers. So one by one, this is bubble sort, that means bubbling the number consecutive numbers, it is checking whether it is greater than the second number or not. If it is greater, it will interchange their values, and slowly it will go to the last, and this way it will arrange all the numbers. I have given a pause, that's why I have to enter continuously. So the moment I will move this pause, I no need to enter those numbers. Actually the computer was working very quickly, so I want to stop in a particular, yes, and the last, yes, my data is ready. And up now if I press enter key, all those numbers in a colorful way it will come in the screen, and here this is my screen, and see, this is my screen, and this is the complete arranged data. Okay children, okay, thank you.